right here is the St. Mark's School.
Yeah, what town we in?
Steeleville, Illinois.
Okay. Go see it. Go see a July the 4th parade. It's in my hometown, but it's close. It's like 5 miles away. How far is Sparta? 7
about
miles?
8 miles.
8 miles?
10 miles.
Okay. Got my mom. Chucky's up there. What? What are you looking at?
How close you got?
Yeah, he got.
Oh yeah, he got right up on there, didn't he? It's St. Mark's Lutheran School. They got a little July 4th parade. Crafters and stuff, you know. There's St. Mark's. That thing has been around a long time. Since I was a kid. Probably before that. Anyway.
I just wasn't in the mood, you know.
Thought I was recording and I wasn't. There's the church bells. Must be 10 o'clock.
Church bells.
Yeah. So this is the main thoroughfare that comes through the Steeleville.
Yeah.
And, you know, anyway. It's a little 4th of July parade. Every hometown's got one. And tons of fairs and festivals over the years, so that's about what it is, but it's pretty cool. Everybody.
Over there too.
Where you want to sit down? I'm fine standing. I'm getting just a little exercise. Nice breeze. It's cool. We're under the shade. Anyway, it's pretty cool. So when I was, I don't know, really young, Mom would know, we used to get, my uncle had a wagon. He had a pair of mules that he named Bonnie and Clyde, and he used to bring them down here, and we'd ride in the wagon down to the town, and then we would ride in the parade, and then we'd be pretty hot by then. Usually like we'd bail on him, he had to drive him back home, but
Yeah.
you know, it was a lot of fun. It was
Yeah.
great for the kids.
I sit on that ledge up there too.
Let's go walk up here. Anyway, it's cool. They're having a little race of.
This is the place to stay.
Why don't we go on the other side? We sit on the.
We could.
Let's do that. Squeeze on through there, man.
Keep going, buddy. Almost there. There you go.
Down a little bit.
Yeah. I thought they'd be hot at first, but they're not
No,
bad.
they're not bad. No, this is fine.
Yeah. Get a little suntan.
Yeah.
All right. Good times. SpongeBob. What the heck is that? Banana Bike Brigade.
For the kids. Marks, they're supposed to do that.
What do they do?
Make balloons for the kids, you know, in different
Oh, okay.
colors and stuff.
Oh, that's cool.
I think I saw that.
And we got the old folks mobile coming up. So the charter takes them to the casino. We fell back because it's just too hot. We'll walk around here. That's all right. I was getting a little warmer. I was waiting for the bands.
Yeah.
I could be out there forever waiting on bands. We can see them from back here. All right, well, parade's still going on. We're gonna go up to the Legion, get us a sandwich or something, maybe something to drink, and I don't know. We'll see what happens. Young ladies.
So I guess you're not allowed to email outside of
Let's shut this off. Steeleville American Legion, post 480. Smell the funnel cakes. American Legion. Boy, we came here as a lot of us kids. I have to turn this off when I get in here. I'm sure they got music going. No, it's quiet. It's quiet. Check this old car out. Somebody needs to restore that. It's a Pontiac, ain't it? Chucky?
Oh, they're all sitting out there.
Somebody needs to take down their Halloween deal. I understand, right? It's kind of weird. It's weird to be. Well, it's all over now. Everybody's getting out of here. Traffic is backed up, so I guess that'll be the end of this video. We had fun. Went down to the Legion, got us a fish sandwich. And happy 4th of July. I don't know when you'll see this video, so it'll probably be after the 4th. But it was a fun time. I've got Chucky and Mom following up behind me, so we're gonna walk back over and look at some crafts, call it a day, and then maybe later tonight we're gonna go down to Evansville and watch some fireworks. So hoping your family are blessed. Thanks for watching all the way through. You're part of our awesome community. Love this video? Hit subscribe for more adventures. The best way to support us is at HawkeyeMarine.net. Shop outboard powerheads, lower units, and top quality boat parts. It fuels our content and keeps you on the water. Visit today. We'll see you next time.